Hey there friends, thanks for checking in at SHOT Show, and by popular demand at the SIG booth, check it out, the P365. This is everything that you've read about, everything that you've seen already from SHOT Show videos and various articles. It's very small and compact and holds 10 rounds. This one here has the extended magazine. 3 fingers make contact on the grip. It's a nice feel to it. Big 3-dot sights, very consistent with SIG, and shipped with 2 10-round magazines, but also a 12-round magazine. We're going to get Rich in here to talk more about it.
How you doing? My name's Rich Moravitz here at the SIG Sauer booth, SHOT Show 2018, going over the awesome new P365. Bring more every day. That is our tagline, because you can now. This is our 1.5/ double stack gun that holds 10+1. And how did we get there? It all starts here. The magazine was first, the gun came after. Chicken and the egg? Well, this one's easy. The mag came first. We started off with this unique magazine design with the taper on it, and then designed the gun around that. The only similarities this gun shares with its big brother, the P320, is that it's striker fired and that you do not have to pull the trigger to take it apart. And so we employ the same 3-point takedown safety system. So this gun is a dream to shoot. It's got a great short crisp break and a nice short tactile audible reset. This gun is just a lot of fun, and it sits nice and great in your hand because of 2 things: the high undercut underneath the trigger guard and the relief here on the back strap. Really gets your hand nice and high up on the tang, on the grip, and bore axis is not an argument here. We're lower than our competitors, all of our competitors, and we proved it when you measure from bore up. And also, we get your trigger closer to the slide itself. So since the trigger is closer to the slide itself, you're actually a little shorter than the competition. So a slimmer profile overall, and you still get the capacity of 10+1. It ships with the flush fit mag, the extended 10-round magazine, night sights, all for $599.99. And this is shipping now. No need for a trigger pack, no need for anything. You got forward serration, so if you want to do press checks, you got front cocking serrations, and a nice trigger that you do not need. You're not going to have to spend $200 on a trigger pack upgrade right out of the box.
Excellent. And I imagine all the buzz is about the P365.
Yes, there's a tremendous buzz. The word game changer gets thrown around a lot in this industry, but we really have changed the game as far as how we are aggressively attacking the micro compact market. One other thing to note as well is, unlike our competition in the micro compact world, we have a rail on our gun. We have a proprietary rail system. Yes, it's proprietary because we have our own optics factory and whole division of optics. If you don't know about SIG Optics, you need to learn about SIG Optics. We've revolutionized the rangefinder game, and we've already got new cool trinkets. This one's a white light, WML, weapon mounted white light, 100+ lumens, activation switch is right here, nice and easy to get to. This slides right on the rail, and we have a red laser coming out as well as a green laser. So we got a lot for this gun, and manufacturers for holsters have already got copies of CAD files and blue guns of this. So Black Point Tactical is our official holster. They're already on the shelves, and we've already got other aftermarket like Alex and Ryan Design out of Manchester, New Hampshire, local company. So I love plugging them. We got plenty of holster manufacturers out there that have copies of this. So there's plenty of holsters out there. So you can, as soon as you get yours, you can start carrying more every day.
Awesome. Well, you've got a winner there, and like you said, it didn't generate all that excitement for nothing. I appreciate you taking the time, and
thank you, Dan.
I'll answer all the comments from here, but you did a great job.
Thanks, Dan.
I appreciate you watching, and you guys be safe.